Unintentional connections between the living space and the attic are called attic bypasses. Chimney chases are often a location for attic bypasses. All chases should be inspected and evaluated for air leakage. In this home, the gable end chimney chase extends into the attic. The chase is open to the attic and is a source of significant air leakage. This problem, known as an attic bypass, will be framed, decked, blocked, and sealed with caulk, spray foam, and a sheet metal flashing. Our first step is to install horizontal framing using 2x4 stock to accept a plywood deck. Prior to fastening the deck, caulk the surface of the framing. Note that the plywood is cut away from the flue by about 2.5 inches. Make sure to allow sufficient space between the flue and combustible materials. The open framing should be blocked. This could be done with rigid foam, plywood, or framing lumber. Cut the blocking to size. Friction fit the blocking into the open framing. Note that there are still gaps that need sealing. This will be done with a 2-part polyurethane spray foam. Some areas are too small to fit blocking. Fiberglass bat can be stuffed into these areas. The bat is not used for air sealing, but acts as a substrate to accept spray foam. Caulk between the deck and sheet metal flashing before fastening the flashing firmly to the deck. A sheet metal flashing should be cut to approximately the same diameter as the flue. A close fit is best. Use a high temperature caulk for sealing the sheet metal. Once the flashing is fastened in place, it is now time to complete air sealing. Make sure that any foam that is too close to the flue is cut away. Use a liberal quantity of high-temperature caulk for sealing around the flue. The final result may not be a work of art, but it should be tight.